For this project you will need a Cricut Joy, Cricut Joy Starter Tool Set, Cricut Joy Transfer Tape, Cricut Design app installed on a compatible device, a tape measure, Cricut Joy black removable vinyl, and jars or containers. Start by opening the Design Space app and creating a new project. Open the text menu. We've used the font Annie Lou, and type your chosen word. Measure the area on the jar where you'd like the text to sit. Add 0.5 centimeters to the measurement taken and take a note of the font size. You'll need this when creating other labels. Once happy with the size and with the text selected, select Ungroup. The letters will detach from one another so that they can be moved independently. To join the letters, overlap them slightly, working one letter at a time. Once happy with the position of all the letters, drag a selection box over the word and select Weld. All the letters will now be joined together so that when the machine cuts it out, it will be one shape rather than individual letters. Once happy with the word, select Make It. Select the Without Mat option. The map preview screen will then appear. Check everything is correct on the screen before clicking Continue. Select Smart Vinyl Removable from the list of materials on screen. Load the vinyl into the machine, passing it through the guides on either side and pushing it up against the rollers. The vinyl will then begin to feed through the machine. Click on the on-screen prompt to start the cut. As the cut takes place, a progress reel will appear on your device. Once the cut is complete, click the Unload prompt on screen. Trim away any excess vinyl with a sharp pair of scissors. Weed the design, removing any pieces of vinyl you do not wish to transfer to your jar. Trim a piece of transfer tape slightly larger than the label. Remove the white backing sheet from the tape and place to one side. Position the clear tape over the label and use the scraper tool to secure it in place. Flip the label over and slowly remove the carrier sheet from the vinyl so that the text is now on the clear tape. Position the label on the jar and use the scraper tool once more to secure the vinyl to the jar. Carefully remove the tape, peeling it back at a 45-degree angle. Once happy with the size and style of your label, create the remainder of your labels using the font you've made a note of earlier. Top tips. To make the labels easier to weed once cut, space the labels slightly further apart on the map preview screen by selecting each label one at a time and moving them. Removable vinyl has been used to create these labels, which means you can easily remove if you ever wish to change the contents of your container to something else. If you would like a label to sit over 2 lines, create each word individually and then position them how you would like to see them sat on the jar. Drag a selection box over both words and select Weld once more. Both words will now become one image. Remember to position the Cricut Joy so that there is space behind it for the vinyl to pass through freely. To find out more about Cricut, visit hobbycraft.co.uk.